Hey everyone, welcome back to Digitech Dynamo. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to control the brightness of an LED using an Arduino and a potentiometer. This project is great for beginners learning about analog inputs and PWM in Arduino. Here's what you'll need: an Arduino Uno, a red LED, a 10K ohm potentiometer, a breadboard, a few jumper wires. Let's start by setting up the circuit. Connect the red LED to pin 9 of the Arduino with the negative leg connected to the ground via a resistor. Next, connect the potentiometer, one side pin to 5 volts, the other side pin to ground, and the middle pin wiper to analog pin A0. Make sure all your connections are solid. Now let's take a look at the code. The code reads the analog input from the potentiometer and maps it to control the PWM output on pin 9, which changes the brightness of the LED. The brighter the LED, the higher the potentiometer value. With everything connected, let's power up the Arduino and test it out. As I turn the potentiometer, you can see the LED brightness increase and decrease. This is a simple but effective way to understand how analog inputs can control outputs on your Arduino. And that's it. You've just built a basic LED brightness controller using a potentiometer and an Arduino. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more awesome projects. See you in the next one. Subscribe for more.